Hello dear students, welcome back to the channel Maths Olympiad Tutor. So today in this video we'll be completing the paper that we started in the previous video, that is for the grade 4 set A year 22 paper. So in the previous video we have done till question 21. So today in this video we'll be doing the questions from question 21 onwards. So the next section here is everyday mathematics. Question 21. Question 21 here is Shreya bought 86 kg 475 gram sugar and Puneet bought 79 kg 825 gram sugar. The question is who bought less sugar and by how much? So we can easily check who is buying less sugar. Shreya is buying 86, Puneet is buying 79, so obviously Puneet is buying less. Now the question is by how much? So to calculate this we need to subtract the two quantities. So 86 kg 475 gram and 79 kg 825 gram, these two quantities we have to subtract. So whenever the question asks by how much it is less or even by how much it is more, this means we have to subtract. So in this question also we have to subtract. The only thing that we must keep in our mind is the units part. The quantities, when their units are involved, they must be in same unit, only then we can add or subtract them. So here kilogram can be subtracted from kilogram only, like this. So the simpler way to do this question is convert the complete data, complete quantity, this full, in gram. Similarly here we'll change this whole in gram and then we'll subtract. So this will become 86,475 gram when we are converting the whole quantity into gram, because 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. Similarly here it will become 79,825 gram. We'll subtract the two quantities and get the answer as 6,650, which is 6 kg 650 gram, which is option B. So we'll select this. Next question is, there is a city that has a population of 92,582. The question only wants us to round it off to the nearest hundreds. Nearest hundreds means we have to check the digit at the tens place, one lower than this. Whatever being is asked in the question, one lower than that. If it says nearest hundreds, we'll check the tens place. So it is 8, which is more than 5. So what are we going to do? We'll add 1 here, the digit at the 100 place. It will become 6. Rest digits will become 0. So once we round it off, we'll get the number as 92600, which is here. So we will select this option, which is B. Next question is, the girl Kanika has 4 photo albums. In each album there are 10 pages and there are 5 photos on each page. Question is how many total photos are there in all the albums? So 4 photo albums are there, 10 pages are there in each album. So total pages would be 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 in the 4 photo albums, each having 10 pages. So total pages would be 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, that is 40. 40 are pages and 5 photos on each page. Every page has 5 photos. So total photos would be 40 into 5, that is 200, which is option A here. We will select this. 24th question. It says Pratik walked around a triangular park whose sides are 50, 68 meter and 70 meter. Now here we can easily observe that all the 3 sides are in same unit. So we can easily add them. It says find the total distance. This means we have to add all the 3 sides. 50 meter plus 68 meter plus 70 meter will give us the total as 188 meter, which is option B. Question 25 is a fraction question. It says Aman went on a 15 days trip. He spent 7 days in Manali, rest days in Shimla. What fraction of the trip he spent in Shimla? So we have to form the fraction for the Shimla days, the days that he spent in Shimla. So 15 days total, 7 in Manali. So 15 minus 7, that is 8 days. Rest days means 8 days in Shimla. Upon total number of days is 15. So the fraction for the days that is spent in Shimla is 8 upon 15, which is option C. We'll choose this. Question 26 is, there is a string which is 40 meter long. Now what are we doing here? A piece measuring 800 centimeter is cut from it. This is in meter and the piece that we are cutting out of it is in centimeter. So the units are different. The remaining piece is then cut into 10 equal pieces. We have to find the length of each piece. So 40 meter long a string is there. We are cutting a piece of 800 centimeter. So to find the length of remaining piece, we need to subtract 40 meter minus 800 centimeter. 40 meter is in meter, so we need to convert it into first centimeter. 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So 40 meter is equals to 40 into 100, that is 4000 centimeter, minus 800 centimeter will give us the length of remaining piece, which is 3200 centimeter. This remaining piece we are cutting into 10 equal pieces. So equal word is there. This means we have to divide. 3200 divided by 10 will give us 320 centimeter, which is option A. So we will select this. Question 27 says, Priya had 500 stickers. She gave 150 stickers to her brother. What fraction of total stickers is left with her? We have to form the fraction for the stickers that are left with her after she gave to her brother. 150 given out of 500. Remaining stickers are 500 minus 150. That is 350. 350 stickers are with Priya. These are the left one stickers. Upon total is 500. So this the fraction is 350 upon 500. We need to reduce it in the lowest term. So once we reduce it in the lowest term by the table of 5, we'll be getting the fraction as 7 upon 10, which is here. So we'll choose this. 28th question is, 4105 children visited the zoo in the month of January and 2534 children visited the zoo in the month of February. Only we have to find the total children that visited in both the months. So this means to find the total we have to add these two numbers, 4105 and 2534. So if we add these two numbers, we'll be getting the sum as 6639, which is here in option B. We'll select this. Preeti bought a, question 29 is, Preeti bought a 4-sided cloth whose each side is equal in measure. What could be the shape of cloth? The question is just asking the shape of cloth. So the each side is equal. This means it has to be a square only, because all the sides are equal in square. We select option A, that is square. Sanvi has, question 30, Sanvi has the digits as shown here. The question is, what is the greatest 4-digit number that can be formed using the given digits, using each digit only once? Using each digit only once means no repetition. Repetition is not allowed. We can use one digit only once. We cannot repeat them. These are the digits given to us, 5201. We have to form the greatest 4-digit number. So the simplest way to form a greatest 4-digit number out of the given digits is just arrange these digits in descending order. So if we arrange, we will get 5, next is 2, then 1 and then 0. Only we have to arrange the given digits in descending order and we'll get the greatest 4-digit number. So the number is 5210, which is here in option A. We are going to select this. Next is the most important section, that is achievers section. Question 31. It says, read the given statements carefully and select the correct option. Two statements are there, statement P, statement Q. We have to read and find are they true or not. Statement P says, rounded off the number 584921 to the nearest thousands. Nearest thousands gives 585000. So we need to check it here. We have to round it off to nearest 1000. This means we have to check the 100 place, which is 9 here, which is more than 5. So we will be adding 1 here and rest will become 0. So the number would be 585000, which is here. So this means this statement is true. Let us check another one, Q statement. It says sum of the place values of digit 2 and 5 in this number, 25,890 is this. Let us check. The place value of digit 2 in the given number is 20,000. And the place value of digit 5 in the given number is 5,000. So if we add these to find the sum, it says sum. So we have to add. So if we add this, we'll get 25,000, not 26,000. So this means the statement is false. So only P statement is true, which is here. We'll choose option A for question 31. 32 is again a fraction question. There is a circle which is divided into 8 equal parts. It is then colored with different colors. We have to study and we have to answer the questions. First question. The first part says, find the fraction of the number of parts colored with red color to the whole figure. So red color parts. For first, to answer this first, we'll be having the fraction for the red color parts. That is 1, 2, 3. 3 parts are red color upon total. Total number of parts are 8. So the fraction is 3 upon 8, which is either in option A or in C. This means B and D are ruled out. Answer is either A or C. So let us check the second one also. Second says, find the fraction of number of parts colored with blue color to the number of parts colored with green color. So blue colored parts are 2, green color parts are 3. So the fraction is 2 upon 3, which is here in option C. So we will choose option C. Option C will be the correct answer. Question 33 is a pictograph question. The given pictograph shows a number of food packets distributed by some persons of a locality on different days. We have to study the graph carefully and answer the following questions. Now on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, these 5 days the data is given. Number of food packets distributed. In the second column we can see number of food packets distributed. So here some pictures of food packets are there, and this is the most important information which is being given. Each picture shows 500 packets. Each picture of food packet is showing 500 packets. This means, for example, in Friday there are 3 pictures of food packets. So this means total number of food packets are 3 into 500, that is 1500. So in this way we have to calculate. So this first says, on which day maximum number of food packets were distributed. This is very easy, we can observe easily. On Wednesday the maximum pictures are there of food packet. This means the food packets that were distributed maximum were on Wednesday. So it could be either B or C. A and D are ruled out. Answer would be either B or C. Next says, how many more food packets were distributed on Thursday and Friday together than on Tuesday? Thursday and Friday. These 2 days we have to first check. Thursday there are 4 packets and Friday there are 3 packets. So in total there are 3500, that is 3500 packets that were distributed on these 2 days together. On Tuesday the pictures are 5 food packets. There are 5 pictures of food packets. This means the total food packets are here 5 into 500, which will give us 2500, 2500. So how many more? The question is how many more? We need to subtract. So the answer we'll be getting here is 1000, which is here in option A. Option A is ruled out, and option B, yes, option B is 1000 and Wednesday this. So we'll select option B for this question. Option A is ruled out because Tuesday, it is here at Tuesday, but maximum number of food packets were on Wednesday. So we have to select option B, Wednesday and 1000. Next is perimeter question from the chapter Geometry. 34th question is, we have to find the difference between the perimeters of figure P and figure Q not drawn to scale. This is figure P, this is figure Q. We have to find the perimeter individually and then difference. This is the question. So perimeter is just the sum of the length of all the sides. We have to consider all the sides. That is very important here. Even if like this is not mentioned, but we have to consider this. This is 2, so this is 2. Like this. So we have to consider all the sides. The sum of all the sides we have to consider to find the perimeter. So figure P, when we'll be adding all the sides, we'll get the perimeter as 44 centimeter for the figure P. And for the figure Q, when we add all the lengths of all the sides to find the perimeter, we'll get the perimeter as 40 centimeter. So the difference here is 40 minus 4. That is 4 centimeter. Option A. Question 35 is find the value of y plus z minus x upon 3. So to find this value, we must be knowing the value of x, y, z. So first we need to find the value of x, y, z. X is here. 18 multiplied by something will give me 36. So that something is x. So x should be 2. 18 2s are 36. So x should be 2. Next we should check the value of y. Y is here. 5 minus 4 is y. This means y is 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. And z. Z is here. So 18 multiplied by z. 18 multiplied by z will give me 72 here. So this means z should be 4. 18 4s are. So this is 4. Now we can find the value of this required fraction y plus z minus x. Y is 1. Z is 4. X is 2 upon 3. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. So this is 3 upon 3 and 3 upon 3 is 1. So which is option C here. So this completes this particular paper of year 22, set A for grade 4. So I hope you like the video. Do comment in the section about the next video, the topic that you need in the next video. So we'll meet in the next video. Take care. Please do subscribe the channel for more such videos.